if you've been in my office here, my office space, virtual office space, and you're consuming the complimentary material that's constantly being updated, and there's hundreds of hours of information, there's videos and there's memes and there's other posts from other accounts, and there's all sorts of things of everything that's going to touch your life, everything that you're going to have access to in your own life. And there's principles and concepts, and there's laws and rules, and there's ideas, and there's ways that I apply them in my own life. There's generals, there's specific. Okay. And people are sitting perfectly going, I get it. I don't know what to do next. I understand my body only heals. I just have no idea what to do next. And I hear this often. I'll see it in comments, I'll see it in DMs, or I get emails. And my response is always, now you're ready to not only just be in a public space looking around at information, now you and I go. Now we sit face to face and we go into, I've got questions for you. I want to know who this is sitting here going, what do I do next? I need to know who the I is. I need to know who this person is. So that then we can go, I need to understand this person more, so that then we can figure out a next step with you leading it and me slightly behind and off to the side. But for whatever reason, there is a block, there is hesitancy, there is hesitation, and there's just no action towards the one-on-one. Fully get it. It's validated, it's understandable. Some people like working by themselves. Some people don't want to expose certain things, so they don't want other people to know just yet. Some it's an investment deal. Some it's a time concern. Some it's a energy cost. It's too much at this point in their life. I fully understand. That's why anybody that emails me, one of the things I'll say is, I'll be here ready and waiting when it's right for you. And every day that passes, I'll continue to break this down for myself, so that when we meet, it's going to be the highest level of medicine provided from my perspective. So this is to answer that question, what do I do next? I'm not ready to work with you one-on-one, but is there something that I can do next? I'm having trouble understanding the difference between medicine and medication. I'm having the trouble understanding how light rest, nourishment, and training, or even how they can be medicine. What are these rules and laws you're talking about? What is it about energy? Why do I feel like I want to apply it, but I can't, but my body seems to be responding negatively to it? I just don't know. I'm confused. Everybody else seems to be doing this and I can't. Where are the areas in my life? How can I actually go do practical things that I can do? I've taken your workshops, or I haven't taken any. I've done relationships, nourishment, mental health, calf jump, spinal hygiene, hanging, and training and muscle. I'm trying to figure out how to weave it all together, and I still haven't met with you yet. This workshop is that answer for that. That's why I've called that, it's the introductory. When you come work with me one-on-one and you're full go, green lights all the way. It's called a full day one. It used to formerly be called an evaluation. It's a full day one visit. Think of this workshop as an introduction to that full day one. Is it a full day one? Well, I can't, because I have to know you. I have to meet you. I have to understand. I have to talk to you. I have to see you. I have to listen to you. I have to watch you. We need to engage back and forth. Have to. Can't be AI. Can't be a bot. Can't be a... Nope. But this is the best way I can do it without that being there in a group format. Massive levels above, here's a blind protocol for autoimmune gastritis. Here's a blind protocol for psoriasis. Here's a blind protocol for knee bone on bone. Here's a blind protocol for back pain and upper neck pain. Here's a blind protocol for hormone disturbances. Here's a blind protocol for infertility. Here's a blind protocol for numbness, tingling, and neuralgia. Here's a blind protocol for depression, PTSD. So it's not that, right? And it's not a one-on-one for whatever the reason is. But there is a lot of people. It nudged me this last week, an encounter I had, where I'm like, you know what, this would be valuable for those that are sitting on the sidelines that I haven't heard from, that I don't know that you're there. Because there's a lot of people that aren't commenting. They're not seen, and that's okay. This is going to be of value to you if your questions are, what do I do next? I get the body only heals. I get it's like a scab. I don't do anything to a cut. I don't heal it actively. The body does. But how do I apply that when it's injury, it's skin, it's hormone, it's energy, it's mood, it's fatigue, it's swelling, this workshop is for that. Again, with the understanding that you don't want to do one-on-one. Fully understand that. Fully get it, fully protect it, and fully respect that. So that's what this workshop is in 2 Fridays. The 17th at 2:30 p.m. Pacific. I am taking up to 3 Q&A questions, so get those out to me. Don't worry if you can't attend the live. I'll address your questions if you get them. As soon as you register, send me those questions. The replay will be recorded and it'll be available to you however long you need. I say 21 days. If you need a little more, it's fine. And then it's going to go over to my other workshop library to where they're able to be rented for 21-day rentals or annual membership with future workshop discount ideas. To have access to those, I think they're 16 or 17 workshops deep. So this is a big one. And I will get to understanding rest, sleep, and naps in regards to your symptoms and injuries in September. That's coming. And that's going to be a big one. It's to debunk and demystify what is sleep, because we understand it. It's supposed to be 8 hours. It's supposed to be, we'll go ahead and bring it down to a level that's safe and digestible. It makes sense, and your body will enjoy your steps forward from that starting point. So email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com. Looking forward to hearing from you. Happy weekend, everybody.